Former President Donald Trump is facing criminal charges in Fulton County, Georgia, related to his efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election results in the state. The charges, which include forgery, racketeering, and soliciting a public official to violate their oath of office, have also been brought against 18 other individuals, including Mark Meadows, Trump's former White House chief of staff, and lawyers Rudy Giuliani and John Eastman. This marks the second time Trump has been indicted in connection to his campaign to reverse the election outcome after losing to Joe Biden in 2020. However, unlike the federal charges filed by the Justice Department, the Fulton County case will proceed in state court, limiting Trump's ability to interfere with the case or pardon himself if he were to be elected president again. In the indictment, the state of Georgia alleges that Trump and the other defendants knowingly joined a conspiracy to unlawfully change the election outcome in Trump's favor. They are accused of forming a criminal organization involved in various criminal activities, including false statements, forgery, and influencing witnesses. Trump, who lost Georgia to Joe Biden in the 2020 election, launched a vigorous but unsuccessful campaign to challenge the election results in the state. He infamously called Georgia's top election official, Brad Raffensperger, on January 2, 2021, urging him to find 11,780 votes to overturn the election outcome. This call came amid a series of baseless claims about election irregularities and misleading videos that were disseminated to cast doubt on the legitimacy of the election. Additionally, Trump and his supporters convened a group of fake electors in Georgia and engaged in unauthorized access to Dominion voting equipment. These events centered around Atlanta, the state's capital, which is located in Fulton County. The charges against Trump and his associates in Georgia are brought under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations (RICO) Act, a state law that allows prosecutors to link various crimes committed by different individuals and charge them as part of a larger criminal enterprise. Notably, this is the second case seeking criminal accountability for Trump's efforts to overturn the election. He has previously faced federal charges related to these actions, and if elected president again while those charges are pending, he could potentially dismiss the special counsel and pardon himself. However, the Georgia case offers fewer avenues for interference or pardon. While the U.S. Constitution does not explicitly prohibit individuals charged or convicted of crimes from holding office, the 14th Amendment bars those who have taken an oath to protect the United States and engaged in insurrection or rebellion from holding office. Civil lawsuits in state courts may attempt to prevent Trump from holding office based on this provision. Fani Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney, has a history of handling high-profile cases and relied on the Georgia RICO Act in previous prosecutions. She requested a special-purpose grand jury to investigate Trump in early 2022, leading to the subsequent charges. In addition to Trump, the charges under the Georgia RICO Act have been filed against various individuals, including Trump's associates, lawyers, and election officials who played roles in the efforts to overturn the 2020 election results in the state. The charges collectively allege a conspiracy to manipulate the election outcome.